Acid, bases and salts. Asariya Samuel's Learning Channel. Lemon, curd, grapes, amla. These items contain acid and taste sour, so they are called acidic. Baking soda, slaked lime, washing powder, magnesium hydroxide. These items feel soapy and taste bitter, so they are called basic. Turmeric, litmus paper, China rose, red cabbage. These items change color when added to an acid or a base, so they are called indicators. In vinegar, acetic acid is present. In ant bite, formic acid is present. In citrus fruits, citric acid is present. In curd, lactic acid is present. In spinach, oxalic acid is present. In amla, ascorbic acid is present. And in tamarind, tartaric acid is present. Slaked lime. The base found in slaked lime is calcium hydroxide. Window cleaner. The base found in window cleaner is ammonium hydroxide. Washing powder. The base found in washing powder is sodium hydroxide. Milk of magnesia. The base found in milk of magnesia is magnesium hydroxide. What is a neutral solution? Neutral solution is the solution in which the concentration of hydrogen ions and hydroxide ions are equal. Example, sodium chloride solution or a sugar solution or water. A neutral solution has a pH equal to 7. A neutral solution is neither acidic nor basic. Acids turn blue litmus paper red. Bases turn red litmus paper blue. China rose indicator when reacts with acidic solution turns dark pink. China rose indicator when reacts with bases turns green. There is no change in color when turmeric indicator reacts with acid. Turns red when turmeric indicator reacts with a base. This is the process of acid rain. If we add phenolphthalein plus acid, it will make the solution colorless. But if we add phenolphthalein plus base, it gives pink color. The reaction between an acid and a base is known as neutralization. Salt and water are produced in this process with the evaluation of heat. HCl plus NaOH gives H2O plus NaCl. Acid plus base gives H2O plus salt. Neutralization in everyday life. Indigestion. Too much of hydrochloric acid in the stomach causes indigestion. To relieve indigestion, we take an antacid such as milk of magnesia, which contains magnesium hydroxide that neutralizes the effect of excessive acid. Ant bite. Ant bite injects the acidic liquid formic acid into the skin. The effect of the acid can be neutralized by rubbing moist baking soda, sodium hydrogen carbonate, or calamine solution which contains zinc carbonate. Soil treatment. Excessive use of chemical fertilizers makes the soil acidic. Plants do not grow well when the soil is either too acidic or too basic. When the soil is too acidic, it is treated with bases like quicklime, calcium oxide, or slaked lime, calcium hydroxide. If the soil is basic, organic matter compost is added to it. Organic matter releases acids, which neutralizes the basic nature of the soil. Factory wastes. The factory wastes of many factories contain acids. If they are allowed to flow into the water bodies, the acids will kill fish and other organisms. The factory wastes are therefore neutralized by adding basic substances. Did you know which is the acid present in each cell of our body? Each cell of our body contains DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid. Did you know which is the acid present in fats? Fatty acids. Thank you.